Right, so in this video I'm going to show you how to move components so that they are lined up absolutely spot on perfectly, because that's another good thing about CAD, computer aided design, which is SketchUp, is that it's incredibly accurate. So you know if you make something that's 95 by 95, you know it's 95 millimeters by 95 millimeters. So what we're going to do first is we're going to basically pop these bits of plywood onto this face, and then we're going to move the back, or the front, sorry, onto the top. So as always, select tool, select the component you want to move, and then we go over to the left and we're going to click on the move tool, which if you hover over it, it says move. So select that. And then we want to join this point here, the bottom right hand corner, to this top point here on that bit of plywood. So what I'm going to do, zoom in a bit, I'm just going to click on that corner, click and release, and then you'll see it will start moving it about. So I'm going to move it, so scroll out with the scroll wheel and move it over here. I'm going to zoom in, and I just want it to snap onto that corner. See how it snaps? So you move it there and it just clicks into place. Like Lego, it just snaps to that point. So when it snaps and you click, you know that that is being perfectly joined up. Perfect. There we go. And then we're going to do the same for the other piece. So zoom in, select it, move tool. This time we're going to click on this point here. So we're going to select, goes blue, the little dot, click on that, then we're going to zoom out a bit and then zoom in towards where we want it to go. As you zoom, you'll see that your mouse just follows you, so the piece will just be attached to where your mouse goes. I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to snap it to this point on the top here. So again, it's very satisfying, it just clicks. Make sure you don't click like that, because that's obviously not the corner, so you need to make sure it actually looks perfect, but it should just go, thump, click again, and you've got those two bits beautifully laid on top of there. This is where your phone would go in. So it needs a bit of height to fit the phone in. Then we're going to select the top piece of MDF. Then we're going to go back to the move tool, click on that. Then we're going to select that bottom point there again, the blue one, click and release, zoom out, move it over, zoom in, and we're just going to move it into place, and it just snap. See how it just clicks in place? Have a little look round. Yep, that looks perfect. Click. Press the mouse button, and we've got those four components beautifully stuck on top of each other, ready to go. Next, to make the bottom piece that's going to go in there to hold the phone in place. Brill. Don't forget to save as you go. Click on save. There we go.